Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Huh? Happy Saturday. Hope you're all having an amazing start off to your day. It's actually like I'm gonna have brunch. That's how late it is. So I slept in pretty good because I just felt the need to. I needed to. So yeah. So you guys are gonna get whatever video you're gonna get today, okay? I just stepped out the shower, getting myself together, doing my exercise and all that good stuff, and we're gonna get the day started. So yeah, guys. So what are my plans today? I really don't have much to do today. What I am going to do though is go to first I'm gonna eat me some brunch. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna go to excuse me guys. Then I'm gonna go to Big Lots. I'm gonna gas up for tomorrow. Then I'm gonna go. No, I'm gonna Big Lots first, then gas up for tomorrow. I'll tell you the reason for that. But I'm going to Big Lots because I have a 20% off. But I do need things. I think I'm gonna look for vitamin B12. It has to be a good brand, or I'm not gonna get it. Or vitamin B12, hair, skin, and nails. And then what is the other one that I'm looking for? Oh, I would need to purchase some more. What do you call those things I just bought, y'all? Not just bought, but I had just hauled the little wax melt. So I would do that. And I think that is all that I will be going there for. And then the reason for me gassing up is one of my close friend of mine, she wants to go the to the Benz tomorrow. So she was like, I'll drive. So I told her, I said no, because you inquired and I had been telling her about it. And then she inquired about it, about wanting to go. So I feel like as a friend, by me, and bringing it to her or talking about it, I'll be the first to take her there. I'll drive first. And then maybe like later down the line that, if she want to drive, then we'll do it that way. I told her we'll alternate. But for the first go around, I just want to do it myself. Guys, I can't find a rubber band for my hair. So it looks wild a little bit, but I don't know. Look, I don't really think, sometimes I think it's wild and sometimes I don't because I'm natural. So, if you take your twist out or whatever, I like to wear it this way. What else was I going to talk about? Oh, you guys, I end up putting the pillow right here on the bed. Y'all didn't tell me what y'all wanted me to do. Do y'all want me to take it, stuff the other one, or what? Nobody said anything. So I'm kind of like, not a loss of what to do, because I'm going to do whatever I want, but somebody tell me what they want, what y'all, because I'm going to stuff her and I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to stuff her. I'm going to stuff her in this one. The one that I showed y'all that I fixed. So yeah, guys, let me know. Let me know. Because see, I'm going to stuff her, then I can sew the ends and put her in here with the on the couch. And then this is a new one. I just probably didn't show y'all, but it's been here. I think I paid $1 for this somewhere, but look at that. Very like lavish, like mid-century modern retro, that. And then here we have a metal big large vase. Actually came from Home Goods, but I like it because it's black. So I placed it here. Guys, I know one thing I'm going to be looking for. I want a circular ottoman. Not, oh my God, y'all going to kill me. Like, you go to more furniture? No. I want a circular, instead of this square, I want a big circular one because I feel like it would be better for this space because that is a big ottoman. And I think something big and round should be on there. So, yeah, guys, take you guys in the kitchen with me because I'm going to finish fixing my my pancakes here. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see me. I got a lot of things going on here. Let me see if you guys can see me in the picture. Hold on, y'all, I'm gonna get my coffee. Hold on. All right, y'all, I had to bring my coffee over here, but first y'all better be drinking out some lemon water. Refresh yourself, okay? But this was full. I will fill it up again when I leave and take it with me. But before I have my coffee, that's what I did. So guys, you already know I have my almond milk in here and my creamer, but I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon because I just like that I like that kick in my coffee. So let's turn that on. Sometimes when I start this, when I plug it up, it already be on. I be forgetting. I guess because I lightly touches it sometimes that it just automatically does that. So guys, yeah, what y'all doing this Saturday? Remember now, today is a good day. Okay? And y'all didn't let me know I had lipstick on my teeth. Okay? It ain't y'all's fault though. But guys, okay. Hopefully you guys are going to have a good day. But I'm going to bring y'all closer until that gets done. We'll bring it over here. Then y'all can see me pour it in there. Let's let this finish frothing. Let it finish frothing, y'all. But anyway, I wanted to show y'all this cool gadget I had. I've been had it for a while, but actually it's this, because I'm going to make me 2 pancakes. And I did add some of my own little stuff to it, because like I told you guys, they said this had traces of milk and egg in it, so I don't really do that. So I'm going to make me, I'm just trying to make 2 pancakes today. And like I said, it's already late in the day. So I have a little bit of butter already spread it on there. And then I have, let me see if I can show y'all. Wait a minute, guys. I have right here my my fruit. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries in here because I wasn't able to, they didn't thaw out fast enough for me. So, yeah. So, guys, yeah, go and check out my other video on Simply Black Vegan. I cooked last night, and it was really good. Look at that, y'all. She's getting better and better. She's getting better and better and better. Get out my spatula. Get all my goodness out of here, y'all. She don't waste. I keep telling y'all. I've never been like that. My mom was like that, so that's where that comes from. So don't believe in wasting. So that's done. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and that's unplugged. Toast to y'all, y'all. Get that. Yum, yum, yum. Yum. So we're gonna wait for the pancakes. I'll bring you guys back because you're gonna come to the table with me while I eat a little bit, okay? So, yeah. And I think too, y'all let me know. I gained some weight. A lot of y'all might be like, Sonia, you're small. No, I'm small, but look at this. I've gained some weight and I don't like it. So I'm not going to be eating no chips. I'm trying my best to that is my weakness, y'all. Chips and, what is it? Chips and, every blue moon, I might want some chocolate or something. But if it's almonds covered chocolate, that's cool. But and corn chips. I mean, don't get me wrong. If they're non-flavored, they're really not that bad. But it's how much you consume, how much you're putting in your body is what makes it bad. So I gotta get better, y'all. I gotta do better. When you know better, you're gonna do better. So that's what I'm gonna do on my end. I don't want y'all coming in these comments saying anything about, oh, Sonia, you don't need to lose no weight. Yes, she does. She's doing it for her. She's not doing it for nobody else. So hold the line, guys. I'll be right back, okay? All right, y'all, they're done. So this is the first one. You see? Then this is the second. I like mine's crispy. I like my edges crispy. Yes, I do. Okay. That's done. Now, this is going to be hard. Hold on, y'all. I'm going to have to get a paper towel, rather. Because I do not want to hurt my hands picking this up. Okay? Y'all go check out the other channel. This ain't the channel, okay? For y'all to be watching no cooking videos. So there's our fruit. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Look at that. I can use this napkin to go in there and eat. And let's have our maple syrup. Looks good, doesn't it? I know. Ooh-wee. Look at that, y'all. That is like picture perfect, isn't it? So we're going to go in there and we're going to go eat. Hold on. All right, y'all. Let's go have a seat. Let's go have a seat. All right, y'all. So yeah, what I am going to do is what I am going to do is I go to Big Lots. I'll bring you guys along. If not, then I'll probably catch y'all later on another video. But right now, she's going to finish eating. This is a treat to me, y'all, because I normally don't do no pancakes, but why not sometime, you know? So, like I said, today is a good day. Go have you some fun. Go do something good for somebody. Do something good for yourself, too. And treat people with love, guys. Treat people with love and respect. And this world will be so good. If we would just do it, incorporate a few of those things into our lives every day, you can change some lives, guys. Just hug somebody one day. Just, if you see somebody, you can look at people in their eyes and tell if something's wrong. Just reach out. Not just because it's the time of the season. It's the time of the season every single day, y'all. People are hurting out here. People are in pain out here. Find it in your heart to love, to forgive, to give, to help someone. You see them stuck somewhere, you know, anything. Pay for somebody's groceries. That's what life is all about, y'all. Life is not about what can we get all the time, what can we acquire all the time. It's not about that. It's about love. And once you learn that, you'll be good at it. Do it. So guys, I'll see y'all in another part of this video, okay? If I don't, then I'll see you another time. Oh, you got a lot of red. Oh, I got plenty, y'all. All right, guys, this is gonna be really, really quick. Oh my gosh, y'all, I had to get out of that store. Like, I'm so glad. People are crazy. Even my trip to the gas station was weird. As soon as I turned around, this guy I turned around, he was right there. And I was just like, oh my God, you know, excuse me. He was like, oh girl, get out of here with all that. And I'm thinking like, you a grown ass man? And you telling me the girl get out of here with all that? Like, you all in my oh my God. Y'all better get it right, get it tight, because honey, you gonna do that to the wrong person, okay? For real, I ain't the one to be played with like that. I might be nice, but I ain't that nice. You don't tell me the girl get on that. Girl, get out of here with that. Girl, like, I am a girl, but I ain't no little girl, okay? So anyway, guys, I'm gonna show y'all what I got in my little goodie bag, and then I'm gonna take me a walk because I gotta get myself together. Those people in Big Lots too. Everybody was just like all up on your butt. Everywhere you turn, somebody was there. They was acting all crazy. People was antsy, and guys, it is the season to be grateful, not to be all crazy, okay? Good God almighty. So guys, I went with these. I went with the Relax and Spa. This smells super, super good. Super good. It has like like 2 little holes right here where you can push it and smell it. It smells so good. I went with this one because you get 10. And they are this size thickness. So with the wood wick ones, they think they slick. They marked them down from $4 to $3.50. You still would have got 20% off the $3.50, but they made them look like they're bigger and they're actually thinner, and they just wider blocks. They're more like regular rectangular, more rectangle than it is a big block of it like this. This is more chunky. I can show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm gonna get my money's worth, but it's more chunky like this. Y'all can see it. I don't feel like doing all that, but it's thick. This is thicker. The other one was thinner and just more sleek. That's all. And then I got my hair, skin, and nails, and this has collagen in it. I got these, and it says no preservatives and stuff like that. And then I got my my B12. So yeah, that's not my normal what I get, but until the time comes where I can get to one of these good stores, and I have to do what I got to do because I got to get that do what it do. So guys, that's going to end it for me for today. It's still kind of early. I'm about to go ahead and try to walk. If I see anything nice, I'll bring y'all guys along. If not, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Hopefully, my friend, she won't mind me vlogging. So, yeah. Bye, y'all. Do well, be well. Love yourself so that you love others. So this world will be a much better place. And you won't be telling people, girl, anybody got time? Girl, ain't nobody here with all that. Girl, seriously? All right, you better check yourself. Yeah, I told y'all I was gonna try to give y'all some footage. Look at this big thing right here. He trying to go mess with her. And the sun setting. Look at him. 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 Your big self. What is you trying to do? What you trying to do, boy? You too big to be trying to go mess with that little girl. There's two of them. Y'all can see there's one right there. Y'all see one right here. And where's the other one? The other one hiding. Look at him. He's still waiting. You better go somewhere and sit down, boy. You better go somewhere and sit down. Whew. Y'all, I'm about to hurry up and get Ghost out of this part. I haven't been here in a long time, like when the sun is setting, so it's time for me to say goodbye. But just wanted to show y'all. She stuck to her word. Gotta get them steps in, y'all. Gotta get them steps in. There's some people over there too, like right over there. So not too scared, but wanted to bring you guys some footage. All right, sun's going down.